Dear student, today I am going to solve some doubts asked by the student. Question number 6 from exercise 1.2. The question is, let A is equal to set 1, 2, 3, B is equal to set 4, 5, 6, 7 and let F is equal to 1, 4, 2, 5, 3, 6. Be a function from A to B. Show that F is 1, 1. From the question, it's obvious, student, that F1 is equal to 4. It is given in the question, student. F2, it is 5 and F3 is 6. It means distinct elements of set A have the distinct images. Okay, by the Venn diagram, student, let it set A 1, 2 and 3. Set B, it is 4, 5, 6 and 7. Image of 1 is 4. Image of 2 is 5. Image of 3 is 6. So, you can see that distinct element of set A have the distinct images. Okay. So, function is a 1, 1 function. The next question is question number 7 from the same exercise 1.2. The question is, in each of the following cases, state whether the function is 1, 1, onto or bisective. Justify your answer. First part is function R2R defined as fx is equal to 3 minus 4x. Let's move for solution. For this question, student, let x1, x2 belongs to R such that fx1 is equal to fx2, means images are same of two elements. Now, here it is given in the question, image of element is 3 minus 4x1. It is 3 minus 4x2. Minus 4x1 is equal to minus 4x2. 3 will cancel. Therefore, x1 is equal to x2. Images are same, then elements are also same. Hence, f is a 1, 1 function. Now, move for onto. For any y belongs to R, there exists x is equal to 3 minus y upon 4. For this, student, you first write y is equal to 3 minus 4x. Okay. And from this, find the value of x. You will get 3 minus y upon 4 is equal to x. Now, image of 3 minus y upon 4, it is 3 minus 4. In the given function, write the 3 minus y upon 4 in place of x. It is 3 minus y upon 4. Student, 4 will cancel. 3 will also cancel. You will get only y. Hence, function is onto function. F is 1, 1 function. F is onto function. Therefore, F is bisective. The second part of this question is, student, f from R to R defined as fx is equal to 1 plus x square. Now, let x1, x2 belongs to R such that fx1 is equal to fx2. Okay. It is given that 1 plus x1 square is equal to 1 plus x2 square. 1 will cancel, student. So, x1 square is equal to x2 square and x1 is equal to plus minus x2. It means images are equal but elements are not equal. F is not 1 1. You can take one example, student, for this. Let F1 is equal to, it's 1 plus 1 square. It means it is 2, student. Now F minus 1, it is also 1 plus minus 1 square and 2. Here 1 is not equal to minus 1, but image of 1 is image of minus 1. Both are equal to 2. So function is not 1 1. Clear? Now for onto. Here range of f is always greater than equal to 1. Okay students, since it is given 1 plus x square, fx is equal to 1 plus x square. If you substitute the value of x belongs to r, you will get rf. It is not equal to r. See, if there is minus 2 belongs to r codomain, then there does not exist any x belongs to r such that 1 plus x square is equal to minus 2. It means f is not onto. F is neither 1 1 nor onto. F is not bisective. Okay, clear? Now the next question is question number 9 from the same exercise 1.2. The question is, let f from n to n be defined by fn is equal to n plus 1 by 2 if n is odd, n by 2 if n is even. For all n belongs to n, state whether the function f is bisective. Let's start solution. Prove that it is 1 1. Let f1. Student, 1 is odd number and it is given in the question that if n is odd, then fn is equal to n plus 1 by 2. Okay, so it is 1 plus 1 by 2. We will get 1. Now f2, 2 is even number and it is given in the question that fn n by 2 if n is even. So student, we will get 2 by 2. It is 1. Here elements are not equal. 1 is not equal to 2, but image of 1 and image of 2 are equal. Function is not 1 1. You can take one more example, student, for to show that f is not 1 1. Now for onto. Method. First, find the image of the element, student. f1 is 1 here and f2 is also 1. Find f3. It is 3 plus 1 by 2. It's 2. f4. It's 4 by 2. It's also 2. And same f5. It's 5 plus 1 by 2. It's 3. If we find f6, 6 by 2. It's 3 and so on. We see that range of function is 1, 2, 3 and so on. It is set of natural number. Here function is defined from n to n. Okay. So codomain of function is n and range of function is also n. F is onto. Okay. And second method for this, let n is odd. We consider case first. N is odd. Then n is equal to 2m plus 1 for all m belongs to n. Then there exists any 4m plus 1 belongs to n. It is domain, student. Domain such that f 4m plus 1 is equal to 4m plus 1 by 2. We will get 2m plus 1. Okay. Second case, if n is even, then n is equal to 2m for all m belongs to n, and there exists 4m belongs to n such that f 4m is equal to 4m by 2. It's 2m. Okay. Hence, f is on 2. Student, f is 1, 1. F is on 2. Hence, f is bijective. The next question is question number 11 from exercise 1.3. Consider f from 1 to 3 to ABC given by f1 is equal to A, f2 is equal to B, and f3 is equal to C. Find f inverse and show that f inverse whole inverse is equal to f. Let's start the solution. For this, student, first B, define a function g from a, b, c to 1, 2, 3 such that GA is equal to 1, GB is equal to 2, GC is equal to 3. Okay. Now, find FOGA. It is FGA. Here, student, GA is 1 and F1 it is given A in the question. FOGB it is FGB. GB is given, student, here 2. Now F2. F2 is B. FOGC. FGC it is F3 and F3 is C. See, student, image of ABC is as it is ABC. So it is an identity function. FOG is equal to IY, where Y is equal to set ABC. Now find GOF. Okay. So GOF 1. Since F function is starting from 1 to 3, student. So GOF 1, G F1. Here, student, F1 is given A and GA is 1. Now GOF 2. GF2 it is G. F2 is given B and GB is equal to 2. Same GOF 3. GF3 it is GC and it is equal to 3. Here we see that image of 1 is 1, 2 is 2, 3 is 3. So it is an identity function. GOF is equal to IX, where X is equal to set 1, 2 and 3. Hence, G is inverse of F. Okay, so we can write G is equal to F inverse, and F inverse is defined from A, B, C to 1, 2, 3 such that F inverse A is equal to 1, F inverse B is equal to 2 and F inverse 3. C is equal to 3. Okay student, and now to prove that F inverse whole inverse is equal to F, now we define a function H again. Okay, from 1, 2, 3 to A, B, C as H1 is equal to A, H2 is equal to B and H3 is equal to C. Okay, and now find GOH. H is starting from 1. It is G, H1. H1 is A. G is given student 1. Okay. Now GOH2. GH2 is equal to G. H2 is B and GB is 2. Next GOH3. It is GH3 and G given student C. So GC is 3. Here again you see that image of 1 is 1, image of 2 is 2, image of 3 is 3. Hence GOH is equal to IX, where X is equal to 1, 2 and 3. Now find HOG. G is starting from A student, so it's HGA. HGA is given 1 and H1 is given A. Now HOGB. HGB. GB is 2 and H2 is B. HOGC. HGC and H. GC is 3 and H3 is C. Okay student, here also image of the elements is same. So it is also an identity function. HOG is equal to IY, where Y is equal to A, B, C. Okay. Hence, students, G is invertible and H is the inverse of G. We can write G inverse is equal to H, and G is already student F inverse. Okay, so it is F inverse whole inverse, and H is defined from 1 to 3 to ABC and it is equivalent to F. It is F. Hence, prove that F inverse whole inverse is equal to F.